Hello YouTube. This is going to be a video on how I diagnosed and repaired the Ethernet port on my PC. So if you look closely down here, you can see in the legend you have a little caution sign, and it says, if I click on it, it says no internet access. Come on, you can focus on it. There you go. So, happened the other day when I turned on the PC. So what I did was I replugged in the cable. That didn't fix it. I went into the device manager, looked at it, tried reinstalling the driver for the onboard 1 gigabit Ethernet adapter or card on the, well, it's not card, on the board, onboard Ethernet controller. That didn't work. So good news is I had another PC available. I plugged it in and it worked fine. So I know that the problem is not my internet, it's not the cable or anything between this PC through the cable up through a hub in the utility room, from the hub into the router, and the router into the cable modem. So that's good because it worked with the other PC. So what that means is that apparently something went bad on the motherboard or something. The Ethernet circuits on the motherboard went bad. So I went and got a Hiro, I think that's how you pronounced it, 1 gigabit Ethernet adapter that I'm going to plug into this PC over here. So I'll do the unboxing now and then come back to the installation. Okay, so we're back. So this is the Hiro PCIe Gigabit NIC Ethernet adapter, hardwired Ethernet adapter. Hopefully you can see it. It says easy installation, plug and play, no driver installation needed. For Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 32-bit, 64-bit, and Windows 7 compatible. Fully compliant with blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh, it's small. Wow, is that small. Alright, so there you have it. Okay. That goes in a 1X, a PCIe 1X, 4X, 8X, or 16X. So I'm going to use it in a 1X. And we'll go and install it now. It's pretty short. Let me measure it so you get an idea how short it really is. So it's 3 1/8 inches long. Has a full height bracket. And tiny. Alright, so let's go install it. Alright, so we're back to PC. It's turned off. I'm going to install it in the 1X slot there. So, let's see. Do this. Oh, it'll probably be good if I took off the cover on this machine. So, and I got to undo the Alright, so I took off the slot cover, undid the screw. You can see there. I'll screw it back in a minute. Stuck it in the slot. And now we will see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so we're back. So the Ethernet adapter is plugged in, and as you can see, we're getting flashing lights. That's a good sign. And if we look at the screen, we see there's no caution sign. And let's click on that for a minute. It says network access. Oh, it may be a little bit hard to read that. It's kind of out of focus. But it looks like it's working. Okay, so, excuse me, back in business here. Good news. So that's the Hiro PCIe Gigabit Ethernet Adapter card. Hope that helps.